Omi tutu. Ona tutu. Tutu ana tutu ano. Ila arun mojuba iwo arun mojuba ri mojuba ruso ajuba. I go eshu. I go no roye. I go eshu. I go alagbara. I go eshu. I go dara. I go eshu. I go no roye. I go eshu. I go get a nimbo. I go eshu. I go get a nimbo. I go obakeri. Olodumare, adibobo igun ti lele se Olodumare baba to. Adibobo iku ti le si shongo ka o ka bi o si le o. Mojubo shabi baba to, mojubo chingwa de baba to, mojubo yagwa de baba to, mojubo pele alcohol baba to, mojubo ferry shoki baba to. Mojubo ferry alcohol jam baba to, mojubo flori baba to, mojubo gunjo baba to, mojubo felipe chalawete baba to, mojubo omiyeje baba to, mojubo shonaki baba to, mojubo padilezi baba to, mojubo tomawale baba to, mojubo shongo fei baba to, mojubo ifamorote baba to, mojubo arisho tuma pake baba to, mojubo ashimole wallboy baba to, mojubo shongo kumi baba to, mojubo shongo gumi baba to, mojubo sholakwe baba to, mojuba oni lubata oni awosun ni adekeita baba to, mojuba ilo risha sun senora madrina cabrera baba to, mojuba oba sejima adefumi ikini baba to, mojuba ilo risha shongo senora teresa landron baba to, mojuba koda medahoti koki zanu shango deli baba to, mojuba ojuba na mi oluwo chief adenibi ajimu baba to, mojuba ọkùnrin náà bàbá lórí ṣe ṣàngó sí yọ Cristobal Cabrera bàbá tún mọ̀júbà àràbà olúwa adesanya bàbá tún mọ̀júbà òun ní ilé ìfẹ́ okùn náà títí wájú olùbíṣí kejì bàbá tún mọ̀júbà iye lọ rí ṣe ṣàngó iye lọ ṣe ṣàngó sọ́ọ̀tì bàbá tún mọ̀júbà gbogbo ẹ̀gún kì lè ṣe ṣàngó káwọ́ kábíyèsí ilé o. Ajuba eshu ajuba oba ileke tu ajuba ji mongana ajuba atu wa she ni ajuba she bidare iba she eshu omolo ni iba she eshu alagbo ni iba she eshu abalance iba she gbogbo eshu iba she eshu ni bode iba she eshu oloja mo ki gbogbo lo na eshu ti ni se ni so trying guys no good learn the hard way eshu ti ni se ni so eshu ti ni se ni so Shooting saying so moon, shooting out like yo. I say, Benny Korea, I say, Rico Baba, I say, I say, Baba, Shami Baba, Walla Wulu, Shango Ka, Okabu Silio, I say, Shango Bakoto, I say, Shango laughing no room, or look or two, or Kuja Ye, or say, no way, Munaje, or Balorio Do, Shango Arabi, and Rike Lady, and Ride Making, and Ride Wilson, and Ride Wood, and Ride Chicago, and Ride Milwaukee, and Ride Midwest. Ile Kasha Yoruba New Orleans, Araye, Olojoke, Larry Yari, no more Yamago, or maybe only Mosimo against us. I think the real Gule Hindu, Obobonomoni, Ara, Cabiesio, Iba She Boborisha, Iba She or Shun, Ibuquara Yemi, Morillo de Ye, Yamiko Yesu, or Shun, or Birino, baby or Shun. One call Lale, ye Kawari, Yawari, Oginiku, Ashe, Guanya, Aja, Iba She Bobo Aja Gunarisha, Iba She Ogun by degree, Baba or Rebiwa, only Aja Meji, only Ray Lowo, Jagunak Bara, Iba She or Shosi, Iba She or Soon, Iba She or Sangin, Iba She or Batala, Iba She Yemoja, Iba She Bobo in Rumale, Fumba came from Mani Ashe or Iba She, Ibeji, Taiwati, Keninde. Iba she beji, omo rere o, omo irora o, omo iye daradaro, omo I she daradaro, omo I redodo, omo I rebogo, ibeji, wafunoni osumi. Ejuwo funwa na ile. Fumwana ile red dodo, all abundant blessings, red bugbo, all good fortunes. Ejuo fumwana ile omodaradara, wonderful children. Ejuo fumwana ile ola honor. Ejuwo fún wa náà ilé ìṣẹ́gun victory. Ejuwo fún wa náà ilé ire lẹ́sẹ̀ ẹ̀gún. Good fortune that comes from the feet of the ancestors. Ire lower, lots of money. Ire lower, pooper. Wealth is coming. Ejuwo fún wa náà ilé rere happy homes. Wa fún oni ọ̀sùn. Àṣẹ. Ọ̀sùn fún ìbejì. Àṣẹ o. Àṣẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ni kúrì àṣẹ àríkò bàbá wa o. Àṣẹ. Àṣẹ. Àṣẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ni kúrì àṣẹ àríkò bàbá wa o. Àṣẹ o. Àṣẹ. Jẹ́kìrẹ́ wọ́n ní títí ọdún ní ọ̀bára ìrọ̀sùn. Ìrẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀ ẹ̀gún. Ìrẹ́ jọ̀dọ̀. Ìrẹ́ gbogbo. Jẹ́kìrẹ́ wọ́n ní títí ọdún ní ọ̀bára ìrọ̀sùn. Ìrẹ́ jọ̀dọ̀. Ìrẹ́ gbogbo. Ìrẹ́ lẹ́sẹ̀ ẹ̀gún. Ìrẹ́ ilẹ̀ dáradára. Ilẹ̀ rere happy home. Ìrẹ́ ọmọ dáradára. Beautiful well-behaved children. Ìrẹ́ ọ̀sánáró good health of our body. Ìrẹ́ ìwà pọ́ilé. Ìrẹ́ ìwà rere. Ìrẹ́ gbogbo. Ìrẹ́ gbogbo. Àṣẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ni kò rí àṣẹ àríkò bàbá wa o. Àṣẹ. Hold tight. I'm gonna see if they're satisfied. And then before I do that though, let's go on here. Everybody get a chance. Put their prayer in it. I'm gonna say this in English. I want to pray for all of the JJP Power families, especially the Harriet Araminta Tubman Theater. Our homes will be filled with joy, money, wealth, good health, and abundance, and with the positive influence of spirits, particularly our own ancestors. We will be Kosi or Sogbo. Eguna Raye. We will be released from any negative influence of negative spirits. Ashe. Who's the next oldest after me? You?
35. 32.
That'll be you. Yeah. You go.
Allah.
Hold on. What y'all saying?
Make your prayer. We're gonna pray.
Based off what?
Just make your prayers.
How'd you choose the name, the age?
She's 35.
Yeah, we're going by rank, by age.
I'm 38.
You're 38?
Yeah.
Right, well then that's you then. You next then.
No, I'm happy.
So we just praying for the family?
Yeah, but I kind of out of the Odu, but was talking about what's going on this month.
Okay.
I just pray for that we are just that we are free from the negative egun and negative spirits and ancestors that bring depression, sadness, sorrow, that bring defeat, and that bring self-sabotage to things that are already manifest, already in the works, things that proceed to the spirits that bring doubt, illness, sickness, mentally, physically, spiritually, financially, that we just be liberated from the bonds and the curses of years gone by.
Ashe. Oh, I like that. Ashe. Christina.
I would like to pray for success and victory within our conception, and success and victory that we're not even able to conceive of.
Ashe.
I pray for the reconciliation of families, of children with their parents.
Ashe.
I pray for unification and being able to evolve past personal issues that we may have with our any ex-lovers or with the co-parents.
Ashe.
I pray for wealth and happy families, and that when the families are reunited, that people are able to move past any emotional blockages or damages that were affected by the separation.
Ashe.
I pray for continuous wealth and continuous growth, and the desire to move beyond any mental or emotional blockages, whether it be related to whether it is Egun related or things that we are dealing with currently. And I also pray that we are able to function beyond the emotional and mental blockages, that we can exist and learn to live in a way that we can function appropriately and still maintain good health.
Ashe.
I pray for our collective and individual healing spiritually, mentally, physiologically. I pray that we receive clarity on issues that may be in our lives so that we can move forward in a progressive manner. I pray wisdom to our lives so that we can move forward in a smart and intelligent way.
Ashe, Bene Korea, Ashe, Riku Baba Wao, Ashe. Iba Ashe Beji. That you will, from Wanaile, please give to our entire world. Ire Dodo, abundant blessings. Alafia, peace. Tutu, highly developed spiritual state of mind. T, joy, happiness, or Ayo. Ire, and Ire Bugro, Ashe. Ibeji, Ashe Bugro Odara. Ashe. Shit, Bugro Odara, Ashe. Ilimu Ekuo. Obinoku. Obinono, Obinoyan, Obinofo, Obinoku.
You ready to go back down?
Chief.
I knew it.
Lady, come on here and give us one last little prayer
Okay.
before I go to the close. That last time we did that thing about the runaways, I didn't really see anything with that, but I did see one strange thing. I don't tap into the media that much, but that month I happened to click on the phone and they had a story about a whole 120 missing children, I think in Michigan. Or it was 120 or 200. They found them.
You missed?
Alive?
Yeah, I got it on the phone. I just erased. Yeah. They found them. There was a whole article was in the national media about all these missing children. Give us a prayer, daughter. Just, out of this, or do for this month with Tui Beiji, what you want.
Okay. Oh man.
Health, wealth, wisdom,
So,
all that.
I pray for the Beiji to bring us all of the wealth, good fortune, health, love, kindness, generosity, abundance, prosperity, mental clarity, acceptance, forgiveness of self and others, peace amongst our friends and colleagues, growth in our spiritual practice and our intellectual pursuits, creative pursuits, peace in our families, in our homes, reconciliation, we're healthy. Opportunities to give, opportunities to receive, joy, childlike fun, joy and childlike fun, joy and childlike fun, and any information from our ancestors that will assist us in moving forward.
Ashe. Ashe. Ibeji. Or Rara Shetan. Ashe. Obinono. Obinoyan. Obinofo. Obinoku. Oh, okay. Well, I don't know if anybody's, normally when we're dealing with the Beiges, I don't know if anybody in our community is expecting twins or whatever, but I'm going to just put out there, if they're expecting twins, then it may go smooth.
Ashe.
Beiji, Rara Shetan, Ashe. Obinono, Obinoyan, Obinofo, Obinoku. Tawa, Tama, Tawalafia, Tawashe, Riku Baba Ashe. Open your nose. Open your eye. Open the phone. Cool. That's a wrap.
That ain't gonna be me.
That's my
Congratulations in advance.
You're like, congratulations.
You did your duty already. Huh?
It is dream. I had my son though.